Welcome to Sacred Echoes of India. In this segment, we are going to talk about India's growing influence in the global pharmaceutical industry, particularly in the export of medicines, antibiotics, and medical equipment. We'll explore the factors driving this success, including cost-effective production, regulatory approvals, and India's expanding role in global healthcare. India's pharmaceutical industry has been making significant strides in gaining market share in the US and Italian markets, primarily in the production and export of medicines and antibiotics. This growth is driven by several factors. Indian pharmaceutical companies excel in producing high-quality medicines at lower costs due to cheaper labor, economies of scale, and advanced manufacturing processes. This cost advantage allows Indian manufacturers to offer competitive pricing in international markets, appealing to countries aiming to manage healthcare expenses. Indian pharmaceutical companies have secured approvals from stringent regulatory bodies like the US Food and Drug Administration and the European Medicines Agency. These approvals enhance the credibility of Indian medicines in the global market, leading to increased exports. As the world's largest producer of generic medicines, India plays a crucial role in supplying cost-effective alternatives to branded drugs in the US and European markets. The expiration of patents on several high-selling drugs has opened new opportunities for Indian companies to supply generics, further boosting their market share. The global pandemic underscored the importance of a reliable supply of essential medicines and antibiotics. India's position as a major producer of these drugs led to increased demand from countries like the US and Italy, especially during periods of supply chain disruptions. Indian pharmaceutical companies are diversifying beyond generics, making strides in the production of complex therapeutics including biologics and biosimilars. This expansion has opened new opportunities in the US and European markets, which seek innovative treatments at affordable prices. Enhanced trade relations between India and Western countries have facilitated smoother exports of Indian pharmaceuticals. The Indian government's efforts to promote the pharmaceutical sector through trade agreements and international collaborations have further contributed to the growth in exports. In 2023, India's pharmaceutical exports reached $9 billion, up from $7.33 billion in 2022, increasing its market share to 13.1%. This growth contrasts with the declining shares of top exporters like Ireland and Switzerland, whose shares fell due to reduced sales in the US market. Similarly, India expanded its share of antibiotic exports in the Italian market, moving from 0.96% in 2022 to 2.12% in 2023, with exports valued at $23.34 million. Additionally, India made notable gains in the German market, increasing its share in MRI machine exports to 1.7% in 2023 from 0.45% in 2022. As India continues its strategic efforts to monitor global markets and identify growth opportunities, it's crucial to remain adaptable and forward-thinking. By leveraging its strengths in cost-effective production, innovation, and regulatory compliance, India can solidify its role as a key player in the global pharmaceutical and medical equipment industries. Staying ahead of global trends and fostering strong international partnerships will be essential for sustaining this momentum and ensuring long-term success on the world stage. India's role as a global pharmaceutical hub is expected to grow further, reinforcing its position as a key player in the global healthcare landscape. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful videos. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.